24 winning quotes to help you to become a winner. Find here some best collected inspirational winning quotes to become a winner. Whatever happens in life, if you want to win, you have to keep a winning attitude. Unless you keep the attitude of winning, we will not win. Winning is your state of mind that leads to victory in every step you take with the winning attitude. There are many obstacles at the time of targeting the goal. You may also have to face many failures. But you will not fail until you give up. When a person fails once, he needs to try again and again. He needs to face every obstacle again. This attitude of the person makes him the winner in the end. Always think that you are born to win. God has given you the ability that you can win. To help you with this, we bring you some inspiring winning mentality quotes. Check out here the best inspirational and learning quotes about winning that will help you to become a winner in your life. Winning quotes to become a winner. Winning quotes will help you to be a winner. Set your mind to win. 1. Winning is a state of mind that embraces everything you do. Bryce Courtney. Collect proper knowledge. 2. No matter what happens on the field, getting an education makes you a winner. Lou Holtz. Do the right things at the right times. 3. I try to do the right thing at the right time. They may just be little things, but usually they make the difference between winning and losing. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Learn and be ready to be looser. 4. Learn how to be a loser, because it's important to be a loser to be a winner. Sanford I. Weil. 5. Everything is good when you're winning. But true colors come out when you lose. Jamal Murray. Think like a winner. 6. No man can be a failure if he thinks he's a success. If he thinks he is a winner, then he is. Robert W. Service. 7. This is not the end. This is not even the beginning of the end. This is just perhaps the end of the beginning. Winston S. Churchill. See yourself as a winner. 8. If you don't see yourself as a winner, then you cannot perform as a winner. Zig Ziglar. 9. You were born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. Zig Ziglar. 10. I do have a belief in God, and no matter what happens to me, things are gonna be okay. I'm gonna turn out a winner. Terry Fox. Never stop trying. 11. A winner never stops trying. Tom Landry. 12. You're not obligated to win. You're obligated to keep trying. To the best you can do every day. Jason Mraz. 13. When you fall down, rise up. When you fall again, rise up again. This is just a developmental process that makes a healthy baby become a successful man. Israel Moore Ivor. Enter the game. 14. You cannot score a goal when you are sitting on the bench. To do so, you have to dress up and enter the game. Israel Moore Ivor. Have a winning attitude. 15. A leader's attitude tells how often he will be the winner. Israel Moore Ivor. 16. The battlefield is a scene of constant chaos. The winner will be the one who controls that chaos, both his own and the enemy's. Napoleon Bonaparte. Have a winning character. 17. A leader's character determines how long he will be the winner. Israel Moore Ivor. Believe in yourself. 18. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride, and never quit, you'll be a winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. Bear Bryant. Recognize your talent. 19. A winner is someone who recognizes his God-given talents, works his tail off to develop them into skills, and uses these skills to accomplish his goals. Larry Bird. Try to be the best. 20. If you're going to be a winner in life, you have to constantly go beyond your best. Robert Kiyosaki. 21. Being the first to cross the finish line makes you a winner in only one phase of life. It's what you do after you cross the line that really counts. Ralph Boston. Be ready to take the risk. 22. You can become a winner only if you are willing to walk over the edge. Damon Runyon. Keep targeting your goal. 23. Failure of your first attempt does not mean you can't be a winner of great battles. It rather means you must trigger only when your target is in focus. Israel Moore Ivor. Take advantage of small opportunities. 24. Don't neglect any tiny opportunity that comes your way. They will lead you to greater opportunities you have been expecting to win. Israel Moore Ivor. Final words. I hope you liked the above inspirational winning quotes to become a winner. Don't forget to mention the best line that you liked most from the above lines in the comment box below. You may also like the motivational quotes mentioned below. Also, you can join our Instagram page to get daily positive lines, or you can visit our Pinterest page to get motivational images.